Have you ever wondered if it's possible for humans to develop real superpowers? From the strength of Superman to the genius of Iron Man, superheroes have fascinated us for generations. But how close are we to actually creating these abilities in real life? Today, we'll explore the groundbreaking science and technology that could one day turn ordinary humans into something extraordinary. Get ready, because by the end of this video, you might start to believe that superpowers aren't just fiction anymore. Let's start with one of the most iconic abilities, super strength. Could humans ever lift cars or punch through walls? The answer lies in exoskeleton technology. Engineers have already developed robotic suits that amplify human strength. For example, companies like Sarcos Robotics and Hyundai have created exoskeletons used in warehouses and military applications. These suits can help a person lift hundreds of pounds effortlessly. But what about biological enhancements? Scientists are studying myostatin inhibitor substances that block the protein responsible for limiting muscle growth. In theory, by suppressing myostatin, a human could develop significantly larger and stronger muscles. In fact, certain rare genetic mutations have already been found in people who naturally produce almost no myostatin. These individuals have up to twice the muscle mass of average people, with no training at all. However, this technology is still risky. Uncontrolled muscle growth can cause heart problems and damage joints. So while mechanical exoskeletons are already practical, true biological super strength is still in early research stages. Next, let's talk about invisibility, one of the most desired superpowers of all time. Believe it or not, scientists have made real progress in this area through metamaterials engineered substances that can bend light around an object. Researchers at Duke University and other institutions have demonstrated invisibility cloaks that hide small objects by guiding electromagnetic waves around them. While it's far from perfect, this technology keeps improving. Another approach is active camouflage, inspired by creatures like octopuses and cuttlefish. By using flexible displays or special pigments, scientists are creating materials that mimic the surrounding environment in real time. The main challenge? Scaling it up to hide a full-sized human and working across the entire visible spectrum. But considering how fast materials science advances, real-world invisibility cloaks might arrive within decades. Flying like Iron Man or Superman is another classic dream. Jetpacks already exist, though they're limited in range and safety. Companies like Jetpack Aviation and Gravity Industries have built working jet suits that let pilots hover and maneuver in midair. These devices use small turbine engines or powerful fans strapped to the body. On the biological side, evolution never equipped humans with wings large enough for lift. But enhanced muscle strength and lightweight exoskeleton wings could, in theory, allow short gliding. Energy storage remains a hurdle. Current batteries can't provide long-lasting thrust. Yet as battery technology improves, longer, safer flights will become possible. So while we're not quite at Superman level, the era of personal flight is no longer science fiction. How about becoming a genius overnight, like Tony Stark or Bruce Banner? Researchers are exploring brain-computer interfaces. Elon Musk's company, Neuralink, is developing implants that could connect the brain directly to computers, potentially boosting memory, processing speed, and learning. Other studies have tested electrical stimulation to temporarily enhance focus and problem-solving abilities. While we can't upload encyclopedias into our brains just yet, it's clear that enhancing cognitive function is within reach. In the future, combining genetic editing, nootropic drugs, and neural implants could create levels of intelligence far beyond today's limits. Regenerating damaged tissue, like Wolverine, is another power humans would love to have. While humans can't regrow limbs, scientists have discovered amazing regenerative abilities in animals like axolotls and salamanders. Researchers are studying these creatures to unlock their secrets. By activating certain genes, we might someday trigger similar regeneration in humans. For now, stem cell therapy can partially repair tissues like cartilage and heart muscle. Bioprinting also shows promise in creating replacement organs. Although full limb regeneration is still a long way off, the groundwork is already being laid. Telepathy might seem impossible, but brain-to-brain communication experiments have already been performed. In 2014, researchers connected the brains of two people using electrodes and computers. One person thought of a word and the other guessed it correctly without speaking or writing. More recently, experiments have allowed test subjects to control drones and robotic arms using only their thoughts. The technology is extremely primitive, but as neural decoding improves, telepathy-like communication could become a reality. So could humans ever truly become superheroes? While we may never have all these abilities at once, the science behind super strength, flight, regeneration, and even telepathy is real and advancing faster than ever. The line between fiction and reality is blurring every day. Whether it's through technology, genetic engineering, or advanced medicine, humanity is on a path to unlock abilities that once only existed in comic books. What power would you choose if you could have just one? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to explore more amazing facts with us here on ObservVerse. Thank you for watching, and keep wondering.